Today is a very exciting day. We are celebrating the largest Port Saint Lucie private business project. This project is going to retain 221 local jobs and create 50 new high-wage jobs in our community in this 400,000 square foot facility that's going to be built.
Thank you all for being here. It's obviously a historical day for us as we kick off this major project. And first of all, I want to thank you, Mr. Mayor, for being here, and all the distinguished guests and everybody's hard work for making this massive project for the company possible.
TAMCO City Electric is the start of a new city, a new county, really a new world for us. We're very proud to be the home of TAMCO and City Electric. And you know, the only thing better than a groundbreaking is a ribbon cutting. So we'll see you there.
Where when we look at things, although we're a big business, I think we feel very much like St. Lucie County in that we have a lot of great foundation, but so much work still to do and so much exciting potential ahead of us. And I think that is why we're so excited to be part of this community and excited to grow and continue here.
We are on the threshold and the door is opening to success. And it's projects like today that we're celebrating that make that a reality.